I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to replace the ink on these Epson Eco Tank printers. So first thing you need to know is the printers have these markings here. You want to fill it all the way to this mark on the top, which will be done automatically. So ink goes underneath this hatch here. Make sure your ink number, so it's a 522, matches the number you have here, which is also 522. Open up the little hatch. Now once you've taken the lid off, which I've already done, have to just line it up, stick it on the top there, and that will take potentially 30 to 50 seconds depending on how much ink there is inside. Now this is from a fresh start, so as you can see, this one's slowly filling up. Now the instructions say that it will automatically stop when it reaches the top. Don't leave it there any longer, and don't place it back on top when the ink has been finished running, because this could overflow it. Otherwise that should stop automatically. You can hear it emptying slowly. That sounds like it's done. Just take it out, close the hatch, and that's all sweet. So it's as simple as that to replace the ink in the Epson printer.